Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to work on the beautiful pattern like this. This is really nice and easy to knit. What we have to do, there is no instruction to how many you need for separation because it's totally up to you if you want separation 5 or 3 or more, but in this case I make the separation like a 5 stitch. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by knit pull 5 and then knit 1, again pull 5, knit 1, and again pull 5. Because as I told you, I consider 5 for separation, but in this kind of pattern is really up to you. How do you want to use it? Somebody wants to have it near each other, someone to want to have it in the distance between of each. But what we have to do, we are going to knit this pattern for 6 rows, and because we need to have 6 loops here, 6 stitch here, so I'll be back when I knit 3 more rows. Now I already have 6 rows of knitting. What we are going to do, we start by pull 5. When it comes to that stitch, I'm going to insert my hook in this one. Again, grab the yarn for second one, and I keep continue for 6 times. This is the 4th, 5 and 6. Then I leave the first one. I'll take this 6 back to the needle and I try to knit. This is the first bubble. Let's do it again. Insert my hook in the second one, grab the yarn 6 times, third one, 4th. If it's not easy for you to do it like this, we can use needle. I have 6. We're going to make all together and knit. Then we do the separation like this. For this pattern, also you can use any kind of rib you want. It's optional, it depends where you are going to use it. If you need it for hat, it's better to have any kind of rib before a start. We are going to just repeat by knit the separation and like that, by again pull 5 and knit 1, pull 5, this one and repeat. Let's keep continue 4 more rows because the pattern is going to be repeat after 6 rows. This is really easy and fast and nice pattern. I'll be back when I finish 6 rows. Now I already needed 4 more rows, and then when it comes to that part and you have the knitted like this, we're going to start by repeat the pattern by insert your hook in the second one, grab the yarn in third one, fourth, fifth and sixth, maybe one more here, then you can knit it like this, then separation. As I told you, if it's not easy for you, you can use the hook to insert the hook here, grab the yarn first, it's better to take it out, third, fifth, and one more time, then maybe take all together and then insert here. It's up to you which way is easier for you to do that. And that's all. This is again the repetition by knit 6 or 7 rows and then repeat the pattern. After a few rows the pattern should look like that, and this is the back side and front side. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe the channel and have a good day.